I have a Jeep Cherokee here. Just recently got it, and guess what? There's a dent in the bumper. So I'm going to heat this up. I'm going to push from the underside to try to pop it out. Now that it's all heated, I'm going to reach underneath the bumper. It's kind of hard to see here, but you can reach your hand up in there and you can use, I'm using dead blow, you can use a hammer, use the other end and just push the bumper. You see how it just popped out there? And you just work it up. If you use your hand, use a glove. Unfortunately, I can't get up to the very top up there. You see that dent that's still in there? So I put the camera down and I reached up there a little more. So you can see here, the dent's out a little bit. It's still hot, so I just push down. With the dead blow, basically you just move it around to try to get that dent out of there. Okay, here's the finished product. There's a crease in it a little bit, but I didn't take the bumper off. If I took the bumper off, I could probably get that out a little better. Not 100%, but I'm happy with it. Leaving the bumper on, it took me 3 to 5 minutes, and bam, I'm done. All I used was a dead blow and the heat gun. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to do other Jeep videos, so go ahead and subscribe. Help me out. Thank you.